Good morning, guys. Like the stream on your guys' way in. Let me make sure audio is good to go before we get going here. Not muted. All right. All looks good and well. And then let's look at, obviously, price action yesterday. So yesterday threw me for a loop. Obviously, I took 2 losses, both attempts trying to get long. And really the stem of that, I guess, was we were respecting bullish order flow on the higher time frames, daily chart, weekly chart. And, going into yesterday morning, we had all of this relative buy-side liquidity that were relative equal highs, forming buy-side liquidity left, both on ES and NQ. We had no SMT at the highs. And we basically just got a big BBC straight down. So, yeah, that threw me for a loop, I guess, to say the least. And, obviously there's low resistance liquidity in the form of sell side below price and below where we're currently at. So, really you could make an argument for price to draw towards any of these levels. It just kind of depends on your bias at this point. Looking at the daily time frame, I would say we talked about this yesterday as well. We talked about the possibility of being more on the bearish side of things if we got a change in the state of delivery here on a daily chart. So we got that yesterday. Price did end up going down, engulfing, and then closing, creating a change in the state of delivery here on the daily time frame. So here is our bearish CISD, and it I would say at this point leads me to believe that we should likely see lower prices. We know that this sell side liquidity and low resistance liquidity run has kind of just been baiting us ever since the beginning of the month as we built all this up and traded away from it. And as we continue to just kind of scale down here, you can kind of get a better picture of what this looks like right in here. LR, low resistance liquidity run, boys and girls. I guess to a similar tune if you wanted to project down from here. You got -2 to 2.5 standard deviation below this sell side level. So you got everything kind of lining up with that. So that's going to be where I'm looking for price to draw to at this point in the week. Would kind of like to see this weekly candle, expand towards this sell side and give us a nice bearish week. Now, I don't know what kind of volatility we should expect today. We have no news, obviously, so I'm not necessarily saying that we should go there today or anything like that, but just to keep you guys in the loop with like what I'm thinking or what's going through my head on the higher time frames now. Toggle back and forth here, I'm looking for SMT at these lows here. I still think price could maybe want to trade back into this what would be the daily order block, and potentially also into equilibrium of this range, and we got imbalance above this as well. So I would not be surprised at all to see price run out a low, kind of reverse back into this range, rebalance, and before heading lower. I could see that being a possibility. You see a lot of clean equal highs here as well, right? So smooth edges. So if you're talking in terms of just smooth versus jagged, boys and girls, it's looking a little bit more jagged to the downside right now. So yeah, man, that's what I'm thinking here. That's what I'm thinking. We got macro in 7 minutes, so we'll see what market wants to give us. Either way, nothing I really want to get in at the moment. I do feel like next draw is probably yesterday's low. So you got yesterday's low here. Mark that out as well. So there we go. So we're taking out yesterday's low now on NQ. Obviously, we're not there yet on ES, so there's an SMT divergence. We'll see if that holds. But looking for likely a long at this point in time after a run of that sell side. Let's see what we get, though. Nothing yet. Macro is starting here in like a minute as well. So everything's kind of lining up, right? It's lining up with the macro. It's lining up with the running of yesterday's low. Or reversal would be logical, right? Doesn't mean we'll get it, but it would make sense. I may go ahead and fire away along inside of this 15-minute or 15-second and 30-second fair value gap. If price wants to trade back into there, you're looking at about a 19-point stop. Oof. All right, boys. So I'm gonna try along there, see if we can get this move out. Light, I'm close to passing a couple 50K Top Step X combines as well. Maybe I should try them over here as well. I only need like 800 bucks. Move. Might not be enough. How much do I need here? I need something like this. Something like that to pass. We'll see if we get this. We'll see if we get this push up out of here. Not a good look, boys. Yeah, it stopped out. 0-1. Let's get it going, boys. Let's get it going. Bro, what are you doing? Punk T-Rex. Bro, shut the fuck up. You're going in timeout for being silly. What are you doing? What's funny is, like, if that trade plays out, he's not saying, bro, what are you doing? He's saying W in the chat. Yeah, guys, give me some L's in the chat. Give me some L's in the chat. This is going to be me, boys.
Back where you fucking started, Wagey. Someone has to fucking flip the burgers, dumbass.
I don't know what more you guys want from me. William says, do you like trading against the trend? Well, William, I'm glad you asked. Let's take a look at that trend, should we? Hey, William. I don't know how high you want me to go out here. Hey, William. William, am I trading against the trend? Chat. Hey, chat. Hey, chat. Would you say chat? Hey, no, seriously, chat. Chat. What would you say this trend looks like? Any thoughts? William, I might trade against the trend again. William. Honestly, I might trade against the trend again. Oh no, the market's going against the trend. Oh no. It's going against the trend, guys. The market is going up against the trend. Oh no, it's going up against the trend. Oh no. Whatever will we do when it goes up against the trend? Even Shinra says that my entry was ass. Whatever will I do about that? It was so ass, boys, but look at all these so much better entries that happened afterward. Oh my god. Oh, ICT would be so proud. Against the trend, though. Maybe not. Maybe he wouldn't be happy about it. I don't know. Just don't even know anymore. All these people saying I'm trading against the trend. I don't even know what to do. How do I stop trading against the trend? Why do I keep trading against it? I just can't stop myself from trading against this silly little trend. Why am I like this? What's gotten into me, boys and girls? Make it stop. Oh no. It's overtaking my body. This silly little trend. It keeps making me trade inside of it and against it. Why? Why does it do it? Why? Why, God? I'm getting dizzy. I'm saying it so much. Getting a little out of breath now. Better stop before something bad happens. I actually am getting kind of dizzy, to be honest. It's because I'm trading against the trend. William, go short. Use me as your liquidity. I'm giving it to you on a silver platter here. Come on. Can't make it any easier for you. If I get stopped out, I'm going to tell you. I'm going to say I told you to short against me. I'm trying to give you my money. Won't take it. Oh, no. 26 point stop here, boys. Well, you know, this 5-minute fair value gap does look kind of menacing. But then again, I kind of feel like it should get ran through. So, yeah, I'm going to say target is going to be these highs up in here. Maybe I'll take it off at like 9:30 open or something. I was afraid to put more than one contract on because, as William so elegantly stated earlier, I am trading against the trend. So I did not want to overdo it. You know, it's one thing to trade against the trend when my YouTube live chat is not happy with it, even though the only reason they would be mad is if they're copying my trades, which they shouldn't be doing. That's naughty. But I just didn't want to overdo it as well. You know what I'm saying? It's one thing to go against what the chat wants, but then to over leverage on top of such things? Well, you know what I mean? We don't want to muddy too many waters here. Oh, what the? Why is ES doing this when we're trading against the trend? Why is ES doing this? We're clearly trading against the trend right now. Why is it doing this? It shouldn't be doing this. This is against the trend. This is so aggravating. Like, it's going against the trend. Why is it doing this? Seriously. This makes me so mad. Like, seriously, I'm not happy about this. Stupid market. Always against the trend. Fucking OYM on a rocket ship right now. It's just ridiculous, honestly. All right, boys, risk off. Don't lose now. Don't lose now. Okay? We're up over like 30 points. We're not losing now. We can get stopped at break even and still troll Willie. But we're not losing. ES coming out of left field, boys and girls. Rocket ship. Straight up. Straight up. NQ, not quite as strong. Not quite as strong. You know, I told her that her policies weren't quite as strong as ES, actually. But that's okay. That's okay. Because November 5th, we're going to save this market. Okay, we're going to bring our country back. All right? We're going to make NASDAQ great again. Okay? Even if that means that we have to trade against the trend. Sometimes you just have to go against the trend. But the funny thing is when you're talking about stonks only go up. When in doubt, zoom out. You can trade against the trend, guys. That's all I'm saying. Taylor, stop focusing on nonsense and start focusing on your victories. I didn't win yet. You want me to... Okay. Golden Wolf wants me to focus. Golden Wolf wants me to focus. Let me focus really hard so this trade can go to my profit target. I'm focusing, guys. I'm focusing. Is it going up yet? I'm extra focused on my chart now. I don't even see the chat anymore because I'm really focused on my energy making those candles go higher. Am I doing it right? Should I just do one eye? I'm focused. I'm getting lightheaded again because I'm focusing so hard. Wow, this focus thing seems to be working. I should focus more often. Then the candles will do what I want them to do. All I had to do was focus. This is awesome, guys. Golden Wolf, there might be something to this focusing thing that you talk about. I'm focused. This one's for the Golden Wolf. This one, do we got a wolf? Tell me there's a wolf emoji. Tell me there's a wolf emoji for Golden Wolf. All we had to do was focus. All we had to do was focus, bro? Like, oh my god. Dude, open up a course. Please. Because I'm 1 for 1 with your advice here. My god. Well, it's not a wolf, but close enough. I'm going to call you the golden kitty cat. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Little golden kitty cat. Oh, sorry. Hang on. I'm losing focus. Let me focus. Focus, boys and girls. Focus on the task at hand. If you don't focus, these candles are not going to cooperate. This focusing thing's getting kind of hard now. My ADHD's kicking in. Yep. I just, you know what I mean? Like, honestly, I just can't believe I traded against the trend, though. William, did you go long or short? Giveaway at 10K subs, guys. Giveaway at 10K subs. Like and sub. Like and sub, boys. If you're enjoying the stream, if I've made you giggle or cringe, either way, excuse me. If I've done either of those things, like the stream. I just can't get over the trading against. I just can't believe I traded against the trend, honestly. Like actually a silly goose. 5-minute fair value gap is above where price is currently as well. Have not tapped into that 5-minute fair value gap. Equal highs right below it now. All right, a little generation of liquidity. Oh, it's a good day to be alive. Nothing makes me feel more alive than trading against the trend, actually. Nothing makes me feel more alive than trading against the trend. Wait. Average up? William, are you saying that you went long? William, are you saying what I think you're saying, William? Are you saying you traded against the trend, William? Is that what you're saying? William. I joined the dark side, I did. Oh, no. We got him, boys. We converted him. He's now a counter-trend trader. FC says way too emotional. Well, all right, well. Wait, FC, wait. Are you talking about me or no? FC, are you talking about me? Hey, FC, are you talking about me? Goes quiet when he losing. No, I don't. Bro, I played like 2 memes. The chat called me stupid and that I had a shitty... What are you talking about? I go quiet when I'm losing? What? Listen, FC, if I'm too emotional for you, just go watch someone else and maybe watch like an ASMR channel while you trade. All right? Get those tingles. You know what I'm saying? You don't gotta watch my stream if it makes you uncomfortable. You know what I mean? You don't gotta stay here. If I'm too emotional for it, you can leave. You know what I'm saying, bro? Hey, bro, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I might close this trade, boys. I just want to give it a little bit here and see if price reacts at all to this level. If it does, I'm gonna hop out. We're hitting the 5-minute fair value gap, hitting liquidity. ES is taking out the highs already. Okay, I'm out. So ES is already taking out those highs, which is kind of actually the main thing. Right here. We'll see. But you can see the logic with the exit. But I'm sure somebody in the chat will say, yeah, no logic in there, but he can't hold his trade. Ain't that funny about a YouTube live chat? You're just damned if you do, you're damned if you don't. Like, you're just stupid no matter what. Even if you have a winning streak going on, you're just stupid. You take a loss, you're stupid. You take a win, you're stupid. You're too emotional, Tyler. I mean, like, what do you guys even do with your, like, what do you guys do actually? Did you just like come on? Do you just like go on YouTube and in live chats and you just like made the decision already? You're like, this is you. Like, you're sitting there and you're just like, I'm so miserable because I suck ass at trading. So to make me feel better, I'm going to go into any and all YouTube live chats and I'm just going to find any reason to just shit on anybody. Is that what's going on? Is that what you guys do? I am so miserable. What would make me feel better is if I went into a YouTube live chat and just say some shit. Would that'd probably be better? That make you feel good? A little fireworks show for you? Sick, bro. Wanted to see my arrows, bro? Do you want to see my executions, bro? We won, win, one loss today, bro. We had good time, no? We had fun time, yes? We have fun trading together as family. Salute me, familia. If you know, you know. If you made any money today trading against the trend, like the stream boys and girls,
And as for me, I like the stock.
New entry inside this fair value gap here. Shooter's gonna... This is the move that made LeBron cry. Anybody, hopefully you guys understand that meme reference, but if you don't, God help your soul. But anyway, we should be good timing wise, but appreciate you guys showing up. Like the stream on your guys' way out, and I will see y'all tomorrow morning.